In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your oil life monitor in a Nissan Pathfinder. Now you need to reset the oil distance and you need to reset the oil filter distance. To reset, if you have navigation like this one does, you come over here to Info, hit that once, and see how it brings up fuel economy and maintenance. So then you just arrow down to maintenance, hit enter. Now see where it says engine oil, we're going to hit enter. Reset distance, so we're going to hit enter again to reset that. Now hit your back button and we need to reset the oil filter. So arrow down, hit enter, and then we're going to reset distance, so hit enter. And now we just hit back all the way out till we get back to our navigation screen, and that's how you reset the oil life.